This is a review of a DualLiner liner for a 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. I just got this guy about a month ago or so, and after doing some research, I had a look at DualLiner, and it really seemed to fit a lot of what I needed. So a couple of things I'd point out here. First off, it looks good. This has been out in the weather and in the dust, lived down a dirt road, and even with that, it still looks pretty sharp. I really like the way that the ease of installation, everything went largely pretty smooth. A couple of things I think are fairly noteworthy. This didn't snap as much as I expected it to, so it's really hard to tell when it was actually fully in, but it wasn't real problematic. This far corner is sort of the only area that was really problematic. This doesn't quite lay flat, but it's certainly not anything that's real bad or real ugly. So I've been largely pleased with it. It's been out in the elements for quite a while, and it seems to be holding up fine. As a matter of fact, it probably ought to go through. Looks like this side over here has kind of come up a little bit, so I'll have to put that back in. And one of the other things I really liked about this is there's just not a lot of options for new F-150 Lightnings for liners. You can obviously, you can go have Line-X do something or something like that, but at the end of the day, having an actual drop-in liner is hard to find, and I certainly preferred this to a drop-in liner. So I'm very pleased with my purchase overall. I'm hopeful it holds up over time, but certainly it looks like it will. There's just some really thoughtful things, the way that it's cut out, especially for the Lightning right here with the power outlets and buttons and all that good stuff is very thoughtfully done. So really pleased with my purchase, glad I did it, and thank you for your time.